Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to access the different apps installed on your computer through the Start menu. To this end, you first need to activate the Start menu there, and that you can do by hitting the Windows button on your keyboard or clicking the leftmost button on your taskbar, which is the Start menu. Whichever way you do that, opens the Start menu. Then bring the cursor in between the letters like A over here or at this position or any other, for example, over here, and click on your mouse pad. It opens this list of alphabets, and now you must know the name of your app. For example, if I click on Q, it will open the list of apps starting from Q, and I have only one app installed on my computer in this lesson, that is QNF. If you want to go back, just click on the list of start menu and then come back over here, again click, again activate the list of alphabets and then click on another word. For example, I click on M. It opens all the apps installed with all the apps on my computer whose name starts with M: Mail, Maps, Media Player, and so on. And similarly, you can go back to this start menu and do the same thing once more and click over here, go to the list of alphabets and then click on another alphabet that will take to the list of apps whose names start with I: Inspires, Intel, Internet Downloader, and so on. So this is another way of accessing the apps installed on your computer from the start menu. Thanks for watching.